Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall an apps or how to delete an apps or program in your Windows 11 here. So there's a lots of way to delete an apps or programs here in Windows 11. So the first of all, if you want to delete a specific app, you can just search for in the search bar here. So type on the app name here. So this is the Facebook app that I have installed in Windows 11, and here you'll find the option called uninstall. So if you just click on install, it will delete the Facebook app here. Another way you can delete this, just type here apps here in the search bar. And here you'll find the option add or remove programs here. So just click on it. And here you will find all the apps that you have installed in Windows 11 here. So if I just go down, and here I can see also the Facebook app here. So if you want to delete this, you just have to click on this three dot icon here, and here you can find the uninstall option here. So this is the second way to uninstall or delete that apps in your Windows 11. So I'm going to show you another way. So just go to the search bar and search for control panel. Click on control panel here. And you have to find programs and features option here. As you can see, here's the programs and features. Click on it. And here you'll find all the programs that you have installed in Windows 11 here. So here is also you can delete or uninstall any apps here. So just right click on it, and as you can see, here's the option called uninstall, also the change option here. So that's it guys, this is how you can uninstall and delete any apps from Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.